Hi there, so I'm going to show you around our 2013 63 plate Range Rover Evoque. I'll just take you around the bodywork and I'll take you inside and I'll show you anything along the way. Starting with the front left and front left column. Just the gloves. Your front parking sensors there and your LED daytime running lights. Front right alloy in good condition. Moving down the right hand side. Back right alloys in good condition, good tread on the tyres. Round the back, you've got your reverse camera and you've got your rear parking sensors. Again, nice back left alloy. Front left alloy is good as well. Tyres are good all round. Got the nice colour combination, the white body and the black mirrors and black roof. Coming inside, you've got the full black leather interior. Electric seats with lumbar support, memory seats, Meridian sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. On the clock we've got 41,750. I can work out how to show that. 41,759 exactly. Over here you've got your infotainment system, so you've got your audio and video, digital radio, your sat nav, reverse parking sensors and camera, nav and phone. Moving down you've got your climate control, dual zone climate control and heated seats, automatic gearbox, cup holders and 12-volt port, and you've got a USB port, an auxiliary port and another 12-volt port in there as well. And that pretty much sums it up. If you are interested in this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. The car comes with a 1 year's warranty, 1 year's MOT and a year's AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about us as a company or any of the vehicles we have in stock, please check out our website playlistforacar.com. Hope you're well, hope to speak to you soon. Bye bye.